Hi. Welcome to my channel.
Hey, how are you?
Hello, I hope you are doing well.
Hey, make sure to subscribe the channel and liking this video.
Hi, I'm thrilled to have you here, and I hope you're as excited as I am about to explore how you can make YouTube animated videos for free.
First, you need to open your browser and type Adobe Express Animation. Go to first link, make animation for YouTube for free. We need to sign up. Go to the top right corner, click sign in. If you have already an account, you can log in. Let's continue with Google, set up your account. This is the editor to create animations for free. First, you need to select the character. You can change the category of the characters like human creature. After selecting the character, select background. You can upload your own image, or you can choose from these. You can set a green color to change background later. You can make custom colorful background too. After selection of background, choose size, according to where you are gonna upload the video. Adjust your character accordingly. You can record here, or you can choose ChatGPT for a script. Then go to TTS Maker for free text-to-speech. Just paste the script, select from voices, input verification code, it's done. Upload the pre-recorded voice and go. It's processing the video. It just takes few seconds. Once it is done, download the video and share it with the world.
And that's a wrap for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more like this. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I love hearing from you, and I'll do my best to respond to as many as I can.